Strawberries are a sign that summer is around the corner. They can be found wild and domestic in the garden. I didn't have enough strawberries ready to make jam, so we ended up going to Gray Marsh Farms in Sequim to pick some more. You think they're ripe, but they're still ripening. That one is ready. Berry picking is fun for the whole family. We're going to wash 8 cups of strawberry. Place your clean strawberries in a bowl and mash them up. Discard jars that have chips or cracks. Another way to check if your jam is ready is to take a small plate out of the freezer, put a spoonful on, run your finger through, and see if the jam stays separated when you tilt the plate. Process in a water bath at sea level that will be covered with at least 1 inch of water for 10 minutes, then turn the heat off and leave for another 5.